Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best 3D printer under $500 on AliExpress you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best cheap 3D printer, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Kingroon 3D High Precision Printing. Brand name, Kingroon. Touchscreen High Precision Printing 3D Printer. Direct Drive Extruder, exclusive design for flexible 3D printing filament. High precision, dual rigid metal guide rails, double cooling fans. Double guarantee of long-lasting high precision. Easy and fast assembly, it takes about 10 minutes to mount KP3S easily. Small machine type, large build size. Fast and easy to remove models, flexible magnetic sheet for easy first layer adhesion and user safety. Resume print function. 2.4-inch LCD touchscreen. Fast heating for hotbed, heat bed reach 110 degrees in minutes. This product regular price $325 to $739, but now offer price $162 to $369. Anycubic Extruder Metal Frame 3D Printers. Brand name, Anycubic. 3D Printing Extruder Metal Frame 3D Printer. Magnetic printing bed, reusable magnetic build plate allows you to remove the prints without tape or glue. Quick assemble, modular design at most simple assembly, saves your time and gets started quickly. Double gear extrusion mechanism. Fast heat up bed. Resume from power outage, metal frame. Printing technology, FDM, fused deposition modeling. Supported print materials, PLA, book, tabs, hips, peg, wood. Extruder quantity, single. Slicer software, Cura. Input formats, STL, OBJ, DE, AMF. This product regular price $199 to $502, but now offer price $149 to $376. Longer open source 3D printer. Brand name, Longer. Full color touchscreen, full metal big size high precision 3D printer. Ultra quiet printing with super big 4.3-inch touchscreen of FDM 3D printer for better users experiences. Unique frame design for more beautiful appearance and easier to clean up the debris during printing. Integrated with 3 kits of PMC 2208 to provide quieter printing and smoother surface of models. Built-in 4.3-inch super big touchscreen to have better reaction with printer. Unique frame design for more beautiful appearance. Open source for further development and more functioning. Fast heating with high power hotbed. This product regular price $340 to $616, but now offer price $197 to $357. Artillery High Precision Large 3D Printer. Brand name, Artillery. High Precision Large Plus Size 3D Printer. Adjustable spool holder, can support up to 3 kilograms filament roll. Direct Drive Extruder, great support for flexible filaments. Fast heating AC heat bed. Minimalist design, tempered glass with 4 legs glued on, minimal weight for maximum speed. Memory card and flash drive printing. Large leveling knob for easier leveling. Resume your print after power outage. Color touchscreen control. Synchronized dual Z system, steady movement under high speed. Inductive end stop sensors, higher precision. Exclusive ultra quiet stepper driver. Filament, PLA, fabs, flexible PLA, wood, PVA, hips. This product regular price $499 but now offer price $399. Creality Ender 3 Pro Printer. Brand name, Creality 3D. Printing masks magnetic build plate resume power failure printing. Stable power supply. High quality extruder, MK10 extrusion mechanism, reducing the risk of plugging and spillage. One-piece structure, large print size, to meet your more printing needs, you can install more good ideas. New platform sticker, magnetic sticker, which can better adhere to the platform than textured paper and glue. Resume printing while power off. Rapid heating, only takes 5 minutes, the heated bed can reach up to 110 degree, quite meet the requirement of printing various of filaments. Simple leveling method, larger hand turn nut, ergonomic design, enabling to level the platform more quickly. This product regular price $349 to $800 but now offer price $199 to $456.